Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 16th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold made a very dramatic turn yesterday, right at, well, pretty much right at the 61%, definitely close enough for me to say a hit. We do not have a break of structure, so we can't say 100% that the wave C is over until we get a nice clear break and hold above structure. I'm thinking there's a pretty good chance that it will break and hold above structure, and I think there's a pretty good chance that we will continue up. There's probably a good likelihood this is like going to be like a wave 4, this is going to go up and make a wave 5, so an ABC of 4, and then probably back up to new all-time highs for a wave 5. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be recommending longs right now. Get your Fibonacci retracement on the last move up. Look for Fibonacci bounces after three-way pullbacks. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and then bam, back up it goes. So I'm definitely looking for three-way pullbacks to go long. Hopefully, what we got here is a wave 1, a wave 2, and it goes up for a wave 3. What Fibonacci level it bounces at is not important. Keeping an eye on it and looking for the 1, 2, 3 wave ABC pullback is what's important. Fibonacci bounce, engulfing move to the upside, and a break of structure will give it extra credit to help you tell that it really is the end of an ABC correction. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.